All right, baby, you ready?
No.
I'm not either, but we gotta get it done. Hey guys, Anson here from Ivey.forge and Homestead. So you can kind of see in the background that we got a mess. It's the same thing that it's been going on. This tree back here has just been dropping branches left and right. I think we're up to 4 branches, 5 branches. The last one, I'll show a picture here. Yeah, the thing was ginormous. So you can actually see that I ended up making a new sawmill. This branch that fell down actually crushed my other one, so I needed to make another one. I didn't do a video on this, but I'm still tinkering with it. I'm still working with it. It's great, but one of the biggest reasons why we really haven't been putting out videos because of the branches. All right, so but I've already said that I'm trying to put out a video every single Friday. That's what I'm doing here. Just letting you know, quick update, what's going on. This is what's going on. A lot of cleanup, a lot of work. Plus, we have been getting a lot of seasonal rain in the afternoons, evenings. So I'm at work all day. I don't get home till 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Normally, by the time I'm home, it's about to rain. All right, and even looking up now, it's about to rain. So I'm gonna try to get out here and get some work done the best I can. I'm not gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna go up and edit this, get it put up, and then get back to work. All right, so but we'll see you right next live Tuesday, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every Tuesday we go live. Try to get a video out every single Friday. Normally I try to have it ready for in the morning. That way it's able to be viewed all day. All right, it is what it is. We try to get those videos out the best we can, and we're just busy. All right, but check out our stuff down in the description, all of our links, Facebook, Instagram, all those other things. And if you want to help out, we have our PayPal link. You can always donate to the channel. It's greatly appreciated, but not required. All right, but we'll see y'all next one. Bye-bye now.